guys, Waleed with Mile High Customs back at it again. We got a whole bunch of extra content we're gonna be putting for you guys all together in this short little video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Check it out. So we got this car over from right next door at Colorado Auto Finders. We already removed the old clear bra. Just picked it back up from them. They buffed it out for us. So we're about to get ready to put on the new clear bra for them.
So on 3 and then put that, just like throw that up there and then just turn and just like real serious looking. You gotta have the gun going too.
I don't know if I can do this.
You can do it, Rudy. Just real quick.
Bro, he's asking me to throw up gang signs, bro.
No, he's not getting gang sign, Rudy. You can throw up the peace sign too if you want.
Listen to this track.
No, you gotta look serious. You gotta look serious.
Nah,
no smart, no smart. All right, ready? One more time, Rudy. One more time.
I feel like I'm at a TV show, bro. Alright.
Listen to this track.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f is that?
We just got this Tesla Model X in. We're about to do a full clear bra on the front end. So we're doing the hood, 24 inches of the fenders, the full front bumper, some headlights, the mirrors, and then the customer was also concerned about some rock chips that he was getting on this little part of the door, just because of some rock chips kicking in from the back tire. So we're also gonna clear bra that.
Just got done laying the hood. We're gonna cut off all the excess, let it dry, and probably move on to the front bumper, the fenders and the mirrors.
Alright guys, we just finished up this red Tesla Model X 100D. We got the whole front end done, some of the mirrors, some of the rockers, so
Be sure to also look out for our next video coming up. We're gonna be showing you more videos of this Tesla Model 3, doing a full wrap in chrome delete and also ceramic window tint.